do apologise for having this be such a short video. It has been a whole 2 years from I last posted a YouTube video, so I figured it was probably about time that I stuck another one up on here. So that was me cleaning the car with this lovely NV250. I can't remember what year it's from. 1980 something. Is it 80 something? Is it 90s? I can't remember. It's one of the two. Either ways, it's pretty old, but it's certainly not looking too bad for its age. Still got, well, it's got half a, I don't even know what that is. Is it an NV200 on the sticker? Who knows? Well, I'm sure some of you will. And then an old 1000-watt sticker. Overall, it's not too bad condition wise. It's fairly clean. Even the underside of the motor is not bad. But yeah, oh, that's not on right. There we go. So I've actually got a whole pile of stuff that I haven't uploaded photos of to my Instagram or YouTube videos of, but I do plan on doing that relatively soon. So yeah, keep an eye out because there should be a couple more videos coming pretty soon. Anyways, thank you for watching.